Cute.
Ay,
Display it.
may paintbrush. Nagpe-paint siya.
Flowing like the ocean, caught up in emotion. Everything else fades away, 'cause you're here in front of me, losing inhibition. I like the way you listen. I'm lost in your energy, I'm drifting away, and you feel the same. I wanna stay here with you, babe, but I also know it's easy to make mistakes. Yes, I believe in love, but we don't have to fall. You can't have me like a piece of cake. No, it's not that easy, kind of break. No, slow down, this is not a race. I'm falling for you, just let it ride. You can't have me like a piece of cake. No, it's not that easy, kind of break. No, slow down, this is not a race. I'm falling for you, just let it ride. I'm falling for you. Oh my God, this feeling, something you can fake. It's kinda like I'm dreaming, but I'm still awake. Endless surprises, we're chasing stars.
It's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah. And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, 'cause I've been missing you like every day. The world was falling and you always had my back. How am I gonna pay you for that? Reunited with you, give me some of that, oh. Gonna steal your picture, just so you know I miss you. I'ma print it out and pin ya. Gotta wake up, give me a pinch, yeah. Wasting time, I'm lonely, dying so slowly. Can't you come home to me? 'Cause without you days feel like months, and I've been drowning in my own apartment, driving on my own, because it's been a while since I've had your exposure. Next time I see you, I can't hold my composure. Missing your smile and your rosy cheeks, yeah. Trying to be patient, but it's been weeks, yeah. You're gonna be in my head tonight, I can't focus. Yeah, you got me choking. How are you so evoking, yeah. And I can't decide if I'm going crazy lately, 'cause I've been missing you like every day. I'm longing for your escape. It's calling me every day.
May lemon na ano.
Pero hindi ba sa Japan, dapat nakaganda direct.
Okay, growing up I read books about enchanting bliss, falling head over heels, sealed by a true love's kiss. Embers in the air, flickers everywhere, a fire you just can't miss. Now the older I get, the more I reminisce. I want it sincerely, so I'm still daydreaming. I see it so clearly. If you're out there, come find me. When I fall in love, all the sparks will fly, lighting up the sky like the fireworks on the 4th of July. The city will ignite.
the vlog. Hi guys. Congrats Angel. Welcome.
Awards and competitions and national sustaining community involvement through outreach programs.
Tribes for whom our dear graduates will come and draw their light, serving as a beacon and guiding light for our beloved
Uy, 4 lines, 5 lines. No, dalawa lang kami. 2 lines. Seatmates hanggang dulo. Ang bata. Ay, sorry. Excuse me lang po. Okay, naiyak. Naiyak na ako eh. Emotional ka lang ako. Tuwad ka.
C. Daniel Genesis Pagaragan, cum laude. Espinosa, cum laude.
Patan, karangalan at mga biyayang napapaloob sa
Maraming salamat, Binibining Alva.
Sulit Angel Rubens Porlayagan, magna cum laude. Tan Wayne Matthew
Cruz Andrea Isabel de Taz, cum laude.
Micaela K. Angela Pareda Asa, cum laude. Sean Eureka Pearl O. Sean Jillian Katia.
At guro. Munting PowerPoint presentation lamang ang nakuha natin.
Yung may paper bag. Okay. Alam mo, beer. 4 batch pa nila. Energy ha. Real. Nakapidyo ko na ba? 4M1 Batch 2024!
I want it in the worst ways, oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now? Cause I really hate you, cause you made me so blue.